Hello artists, and welcome to Creative Challenge 8, number 8, okay? So I know by now we are probably sick of doing value. We've had a couple weeks of practicing value and practicing the artist skill, which was super important for sure. But for this week's assignment, I have something a little more, with a little more freedom, something that you can relate back to yourself. So, of course, as you can see, this week's challenge is called Identity Logo Design. So what you are going to do, and I put some fun little tips for you. You're creating something new, something that's you. You're going to add color if you choose to add color, and you're going to push values. So continue with value. Show me what you've learned. Are there lights? Are there darks? Things like that. So you are going to design a logo that is going to reflect your identity in some way. So all that means is maybe it's a logo that's made up of your initials, and that's how it reflects you, okay? Or you can take inspiration, and I've got the handy-dandy Instagram logo up here. You might take inspiration from a logo that already exists, okay? It could be any logo that you could see. It could be a restaurant logo, maybe a clothing brand logo, or a social media. I don't mind, okay? So I'm going to take inspiration from the Instagram kind of design, and I am going to do the same sort of shape in the outside of my design. Okay, I'm just going to try my best, take my time just like I would do every single week. But I'm not going to copy the logo directly. That's important, of course, because it has to reflect your identity in some way. So tell me something about yourself. It might help just to brainstorm a list of things you like before you even start with your logo design. So instead of my camera here in the Instagram logo, I am going to draw a big paintbrush. Because, of course, me, Miss Duza, I love art. Okay, so that's going to reflect my identity, because I love art. I'm going to draw my paintbrush in there, and I might even do a pencil, too. Okay, so how could you take a logo design, maybe taking inspiration from one that already exists, but how could you make it reflect you in some way, okay? Does it include your favorite animal on there? Does it include a character that you really, really like? Does it include your favorite food? Maybe a sport that you play? Okay, so those are just some of the ways that you could kind of turn this project into an identity project, something that reflects you. All right, so I went ahead and took inspiration from Instagram logo, but I made it me, right? I made it reflect an art teacher in some way. So how could you keep going with this? How could you push this? You could do a couple logo designs if you want to, or you can just stick to one. I have these awesome markers. I know, of course, you might not have markers at home, okay? But using whatever you've got, or maybe the supplies that I sent home for you, can you add color? Can you show me how you can make it even more interesting, even more graphically pleasing to the eye, okay? So those are just some of the ways that you're going to kind of have fun with this week's creative challenge, okay? Show me something about yourself, and you can take inspiration from a logo that already exists, or you can just make something up completely, okay? And that is your creative challenge for this week. So have fun with it, artists, and I will talk to you next week.